Ladies and gents, welcome to another video. I'm gonna do the whole car wash thing. We've done it in the past, but we're gonna do it in parts. So we got the interior today, then the wheels, and then like an exterior wash. So it'll be a 3-part mini series. Let's first start off with everything that we're gonna be using today. Okay, so first is gloves. And I want to protect my hands because I'm going to be using chemicals and stuff. And I don't want to mess up my hands. Okay. Next thing, microfiber towel and my weave towel. This is for windows and it's going to be for using the glass cleaner. Speaking of glass cleaner, invisible glass. Yeah, invisible glass. Next is the interior cleaner, PNS interior cleaner. And on here, if you read it, it says you can use it on anything you want. So like leather, plastic, safe on all surfaces, leaves no residue, smells not terrible. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. And we're gonna get started with the clean. Okay, ladies and gents, the first step is gonna be to vacuum. Now, as you can see, I have already vacuumed. Well, one of the reasons I've already vacuumed is because there's not a trick to it. Just vacuum. Remove the carpets, vacuum your car so it doesn't look terrible. I'm not gonna spend time here just vacuuming for 2 hours and bore you guys to death. The vacuuming part is just pretty straightforward, okay? So we're gonna get started with the actual interior clean. I've got y'all a little double angle here. So I usually start from the back and work my way to the front. We have the door panel here and the back of the driver's seat. So I'm actually going to be showing you guys like half the car at a time because all we're going to be doing is just mirroring the other side. Got the cleaner, got the towel. I'm not going to directly spray this onto the seat. Instead, we're just going to go straight on the towel, like coat it. Oh yeah, there we go. Watch what happens when I start scrubbing. You see little PNS in action? There you go. Now we're just going to wipe the entire seat down. Okay. Seats finished and we're gonna work on the door card now. Same deal. I'm just gonna spray the towel and then apply it to the door card. That's the back of the seat and the door card. Let's take a look at how it turned out. Oh yeah, look at this. Not even a single speckle of anything anywhere. Look at the condition of the leather. Not a single speck of dust. Yeah, nice and easy. Time to join you all in the back seat here. My spray and my towel are ready. And now we're gonna start the back seats. Guys, since it's safe all surfaces, perfect for leather. Well, I mean, the condition of these seats are already pretty great, so there's not a lot of work. But if your seats are a little bit in worse condition, or like the same with the door cards, you can low-key just use a brush to loosen up the dirt and give the PNS a little bit more foam. It's time for the driver's door. I have my PNS handy, my microfiber towel, and Jurassic Park. So we're gonna get started. Around the towel and initiate the scrubbing. It's time to do the miscellaneous surfaces. We're just gonna kind of just do the edges and whatnot. And these cup holders are nasty. Yeah, there's like weird stuff in here. You see all this dust right here? Watch what the PNS does. Nice. Now we're gonna just do the dash and then work our way around. It's time. Just a nice little pattern without the streaks. Just wipe it one way. Perfect. Super simple. This towel is a beast. To wrap it up, a nice coconut scent. Out with the old. I like the coconut. So we're gonna put on the coconut and we're gonna be good. Well, that wraps it up. The first part of cleaning the car series. It wasn't really, you know, a lot to it. I wanted to get the interior one out of the way. I think it's the easiest one. So I just wanted to start with the interior. The other videos will be coming. With all that being said, you gotta sub and you gotta like. Drop it in the comments. Other products you use. You want to suggest some videos that I should make. Read literally every single comment. And I'm gonna catch you guys next time.